Welcome back, everybody. 25 invested here. I am not going to use a face cam today, just feeling a little lazy, and this is the penny stock portfolio. As you know, $25 every 2 weeks. The stock can be no more than $1 per share now. I changed that, and the position has to be over 100% in order for me to take profits. So, and I will only take 50% of the profits and then roll that. That just makes it a little easier. It means that if I make $25 on a stock, I could just roll it right into the next one in 2 weeks. So we'll see a little more reinvestment that way. That way I don't have to have like 2 positions that hit 50%, and then in order for me to roll profits over. Just how it is. I'm not a financial advisor. This portfolio is for entertainment only. This portfolio is it's low-key stupid. If it makes money, it's not because I'm skilled at picking these penny stocks. As a matter of fact, I'm buying these stocks because how much lower could they go? And that is such a terrible philosophy, and this portfolio reflects that. That's why it's $25 every 2 weeks. I cannot justify YOLOing money any quicker than that. So we have no 100% winners. We did have a 50% winner. We did, and I did add a new stock to the portfolio, which we will go over. I have nothing in the stock graveyard list. Moving forward, I have Flint Corp. I'm down 20. Actually, we'll just go over how much I'm down or up. This chart is bad. I'm actually down $25. It did not, this big hump here. That is where I added money to the portfolio, and it just has not added it to what I've added to the portfolio on the daily. On the weekly, it's worse. It's saying I'm up 1,000%. That is also a lie. I am not up 1,000%. On the 1 month, I am down 1%. That's looking more like it. On the 3 months, I am down 9%. On the 1 year, which is basically the all-time, when I started this portfolio, I am down 13%, but I believe that is quite a lot more. That should be about 17, 18%, and that's because I don't think it's taking into consideration the money that I just added. So, this is all a lie, and I don't know why I can't stop that from not being the case. Flint Corp, I'm down 28%. Flint Corp, I don't believe that was the first one I bought, but it was one of the first ones. It was also 3 cents a share, and I got 802 shares, so that's pretty fun. FLT, this is a stock that has been mentioned on Blossom, which is where I do most of the decisions for this portfolio. So if you want to help me pick my next stock, or you want to, share an entertaining investment idea, then Blossom is where I do most of my communications for this portfolio, and the link is in the description below. I recommend, if not to have fun on Blossom, then there's a lot of people on there where you can exchange ideas and learn from. It is a very healthy community. Fortune Minerals, FT, I'm down 11%, 500 shares, $20. That's pretty fun. I don't think that's the first. I think HydroClean was the first stock that I bought. I'm actually up on HydroClean. And Gatekeeper Systems Inc., GSI, which was only added maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, 4 or 5 weeks ago. I'm up 58%, 59% on Gatekeepers. That would be the first stock that we actually are positive on. I am holding out for 100% upside before I cut any of my profits, but wow, Gatekeeper Systems, I'm shocked if anything is in the positive in this account, and to be positive 58%, even if it is only short term, is still very cool. HydroClean Power, I'm up 5.5%. That used to actually just be straight flat. HydroClean Power has not moved that much since I bought it. I3 Energy PLC, I3 ITE ticker, I'm down 25.5%. This is a stock that one of my subscribers recommended. Apparently he is highly invested in i3. I picked it up. Just like everything, I have low hopes for most stocks in this account. That is mostly because, everything that I bought over the year should be, this is up 76% on the 5 years, but most of these stocks are down substantially from their top, usually about 80 to 90%. In this case, it is about 55-60%. So yeah, I bought these stocks because they're doing terribly, and that is the thesis. I mean, if you take a look at what I just clicked at, MMAT, Metamaterials, they hit a high of almost $10, and right now they are trading for 8 cents. So they fell 88%, and that's from the past 5 years. So that's 88% from only $1. That's the type of stuff we're looking at, and I am down 69% on the position. Very fun. It's also 2.8% of my portfolio. Metamaterials is not only my worst performing stock in this portfolio, but it is also the only American stock. It's the only USD stock that I have in my portfolio, in the penny stock portfolio. Orford Mining Corp. We'll talk about that after. Orford Mining Corp, 580 shares, absolutely flat. Perry Provident Resources, down 44%, 200 shares. Damn. Prime Drink Corp. I had to invest in Prime Drink Corp. Why wouldn't I? I'm down 8.5%, almost 9%. Sun Residential Real Estate Investment Trust, a REIT, we're down 9%. We will also be paid dividends in the penny stock portfolio, which will be very funny. It will not be a lot of money. We will be making 25 cents at a time, but that's pretty fun. Standard Uranium, STND, down 25% flat. That's a very nice round number. And UFC, which is the last stock that I bought, this is the most recent buy, was 86 cents Canadian. This marked me making the change that these stocks have to be under $1. So if you take a look at everything that I've been investing in, it has been a power company or a mining company, and then with the caveat of a drone delivery company, and then 2 REITs. So as I've grown how much money per share I'm allowed to have, so has the basket of stocks that I'm allowed to buy. So when I first opened this, I said no more than 10 cents per share. That's when we got Flint Corp at 3 cents, FT at 4 cents, Hydro Clean Power, I think that was 7 cents or 8 cents, 5 cents, Orford Mining. You see a lot of these, Perry Provident Resources, 7, everything under 10 cents. They're mining companies, and I mean, they are down substantially. I like to consider, I think about these stocks as one guy sitting at a desk, because that's like how cheap the stock is and how much it's fallen from its highs. I don't think that I'm gonna be able to achieve any gains with a maximum amount of 10 cents, and that's because any stock that is hitting 5 cents per share is it's going to go to zero. It's just a matter of time, and if it doesn't, it will be very lucky. So as I've increased the amount of money per share I'm allowed to do, I'm opening the door to stocks that actually produce an income, like UFC here actually has a positive price to earning ratio. That's new for this account. Believe it or not, that's new to this account, a positive earning yield. So a lot of these companies are sitting into negative earnings, which means they are burning more cash than they're making, and therefore it's just not good. It's just not good. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the new year. Make sure you follow me, Facebook, or not Facebook anymore, but just YouTube. My TikTok's dead, and Blossom. I post a lot on Blossom, and yeah, check out the TFSA account. I think a lot more things are happening there. A lot better investing is happening on the TFSA account rather than the penny stock account, but who knows? Bye now.